it's your girl right back at you again with yet another video. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. It's your girl Eva Tarae. Please take a moment to like this video, comment below on your thoughts about this look, and subscribe so that you'll never miss another video. Before I go any further, diamonds, I would love to give a mad shout out to none other than one of my diamond beauties, Miss J Rose. Thank you so much, mama, for your continued love and support. Diamonds, please take a moment to share this video with others, and let's get right into this look. Y'all know what y'all came for. After applying my Spascriptions Superstar Glitter Mask, I did go in with my La Nage, I believe that's how you pronounce that, lip sleepy mask. I absolutely adore this. It makes your lips feel amazing. To achieve the sharp edges I desire, I am going to use my e.l.f. Line and Define tape. To prep my lid, I'm going to grab my P. Louise base number 2. Grabbing my Sienna palette by Profusion, I'm going to get started with this look. I did pick this up at Target quite a while ago, but I'm just now actually putting it to some use, so I'm super excited about that. I went in with the color Devoted, which is like a cranberry, pinky, raspberry color. And with a fluffy brush, I place that in, above, and below my crease. Add depth to my crease, I took my Suva Beauty's Night Market and I applied that using my Morphe M507 brush, which is a small, detailed, fluffy blending brush, and I placed that directly in my crease and also below. With a smaller, more dense blending brush, I began blending out Night Market and Devoted to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Once I got that blend popping, I grabbed my Real Techniques Instapop Crease brush and started packing Night Market into the outer third of my lid. With my Aveda eyeshadow brush, I packed Denaru on the inner and middle third of my lid. Onto the sparkle, I grabbed my Ambrosia Cosmetics glitter stack and I took that pinky fuchsia colored glitter and a little bit of this clear gel-based glitter, kind of like a glue. It helps it adhere to your lids. I did apply my falsies, and now that I'm pretty much done with the eye look, I'm going to remove my e.l.f. Line and Define tape. To clean up the fallout a little bit, I did go in with a baby wipe. Next, to prime my face, to prepare for my foundation, I did go in with my Versali Unicorn Essence. And diamonds, if you've made it this far, please go ahead and comment below with unicorns. Give me 3 of them at least, and I will give you a shout out on my next video. Then I went in with Benefit's Professional Matte Rescue. For foundation, we'll use L'Oreal's True Match in the shade W10, and I'm going to apply that with my Luxie face brush. To highlight, I went in with Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend that out. To contour, I grabbed the Cover FX Face Palette in Medium Deep. To set my under eye, I grabbed that same beauty blender with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Cashew. After dusting the excess powder away, I completed the eye look by smudging Denaru and Night Market under my waterline. Back to the cheeks, I applied my Morena Beauty blush in the shade Can Be Berry. Love the shade. To highlight, I grabbed my Huda Beauty Bronze Sands palette. Onto the lips, I applied my Maybelline's Blissful Berry and also the CoverGirl's Just Saying. And diamonds, this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. It warms my heart truly. Please don't forget to like this video. Comment below if you've made it this far. Give me hearts down there. And then subscribe on your way out so that you'll never miss a video from your girl. Diamonds, it has been a pleasure. And as always, until next time.